Hi, my name is Chris Carns. By now we've all seen the footage of the United Airlines passenger being drugged forcibly down the aisle of a United Airlines plane. Very unfortunate and unnerving event, tough to watch possibly for a lot of us. I'm here to offer kind of a little bit of a different take from the legal side as to how this plays out, again, from a legal lawyer perspective. You'll hear a lot about Rule 25, which is in the contract of carriage. Rule 25 talks about compensation for passengers before they actually board the plane. This incident took place on the plane after the passengers had already boarded, so much of the information that you read about them offering a certain amount of money and how that applied in this situation is actually false. Rule 25 does not apply. In this situation, you would be looking at Rule 21 of the contract of carriage, which talks about once you have boarded the plane, how can you and on what bases, what justifications can you be removed from the plane. They list a few dozen reasons and ways that you can justifiably be removed from the plane. None of those include the plane being too full, overbooked, the need to transport United Airlines employees. None of those are on the list. So United Airlines fairly clearly, in my opinion, violated that contract of carriage, and not only did they do that, but they likely have liability for other issues for engaging in the conduct that they engaged in to get him drugged down the aisle. I know that was airport personnel, and I believe the Chicago Aviation Department has admitted that airport personnel violated their own policies as well by doing that. And in fact, Dr. David Dow, the subject of this dragging, this incident, he has already hired a fairly prominent attorney out of the Chicago area to pursue United Airlines on this matter. I would expect United Airlines would quickly resolve the matter in a confidential settlement. If they do not, obviously this is going to be a publicity